Today, I'm going to show you how to make one-pan chicken and rice. And these are the ingredients we're going to use. Okay, let's begin by seasoning our thighs, these nice thighs. They do have the bone in it. Okay, these are nicely cleaned. And we're going to season our chicken. Oh wow, this is some nice thighs. Don't worry, you want a little fat. You need that flavor. Okay, get it with a little olive oil. Okay, all right. Some garlic. Okay. Some salt and pepper. All right. Sprinkle it nicely and evenly. Oh, wonderful. Get under there, hiding from me. And some paprika for color. Just sprinkle it nicely. Okay. Now you just want to mix these up nicely and evenly. Beautiful. Look at that. That's what you want. Okay. That's it. Let that sit for about, I'd say 15-20 minutes. Let that flavor absorb into your chicken. Okay? Alright, let's brown up our chicken nicely. Wonderful. A nice seasoned chicken. We're going to brown it. Look at that. Just want to get some nice color. And then we're going to put it aside. Okay, we put these on the side, everyone. We're going to finish fully cooking this later. Right now, we browned them. They're looking very nice. Just let them rest on the side, okay? And we'll come back to this later. Okay, using the same pan, we're going to get our onions in here. Get all that flavor going, guys. This is what you want. You want these flavors. Don't be shy. Mix that in here nicely. All right. Now the onion's nicely sauteed, we want to get our rice in there. Get all these flavors, guys. Yes. Get all these flavors. Wonderful. Just going to brown up your rice a little bit. Now you can use any rice that you like. We're using jasmine rice. Okay, add your water in here nicely. All right. Don't worry, guys. This is all your flavor. This is your paprika. That's what browned at the bottom, but you get all these flavors going. This is what you want. Let that come to a boil. Cook it nice and slow. Alright, let's add our soy sauce. 1 nice bay leaf. And 1 chicken bouillon will dissolve. And let's let this come to a boil. Okay guys, as you can see, it came to a boil. This is beautiful. I already mixed it. The chicken cube nicely dissolved. Okay, just what we want. Now we want to put our seasoned brown chicken back in the same seasoned pot. Look at this. All the flavors are in this one wonderful pan, rich with flavors. You want to get the chicken submerged in there. You want all of this to fully cook. The chicken's going to fully cook in here. Oh wow, this is going to be wonderful. Now I'm gonna take this juice, look at this, off my plate. Don't be shy, get it in there. Yes indeed. All these flavors working together. We just wanna make sure that the chicken is nicely flat and submerged into the liquid. Okay, with the rice, we're gonna cover it. And we're going to let this cook for slowly at a medium low for 25 to 30 minutes or until fully cooked. Your rice, that is. All right, here we go. One pan chicken and rice. Wow, this looks great. As you can see, chicken is nicely browned. Let's get this rice nice taste. Delicious. The rice is cooked evenly. The flavor is there. As you can see, this is so simple and easy. Everything is done right here. I'm telling you guys, this is something you can do. We just did it. This is it. Thanks guys for watching. And until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.